really exciting things, gift ideas coming up for you. The holiday boxes. You get so much, all of this for the price of one A&R. There's two different versions, Smoky Noir and Modern Nudes. I picked the Modern Nudes. And you have all your pre-party holiday skincare in here. You have your Advanced Micro Cleansing Foam, your Revitalizing Supreme Cream, and of course, every girl needs Advanced Night Repair. This is like amazing for after party and, you know, late nights, everything. And also, my favorite, the eyeshadow palette. I love this because it has, ta-da, 16 different amazing shades and 3 limited edition face sculptors. And of course, a really pretty red lip gloss. Red Extrovert, that's so me. Okay, what else is there? 2 different lipsticks. I will show you. At once. Ooh, I love that. It's a pretty plum and the perfect red. I think I'm gonna try the red. Love it. Finish it off with some lip gloss. And mascara. Sumptuous Extreme Mascara. I love this mascara. Pretty. Oh, and there's also this lip gloss too. So if you're feeling red or kind of, you know, nudie, whatever, you know, you want. And then finish it off with your Modern Muse. And you're party perfect ready.